Hey everybody, it's Douglas from ProjectFresh.com. I love to work with my clients to help them tell their story, to work on branding, web, ongoing digital marketing, as well as the UX and UI of app design. So that's a project I'm going to be sharing with you today is a client called MoonNFT. So let's just jump right in. They're a curated NFT marketplace, and we wanted to design them an interface to explore their artwork. So some of their ideas that needed to be were clean, modern aesthetic, easy to use interface, shouldn't distract from the art, and to have both a dark and light mode. So we jumped into some mood boards looking at existing products for inspiration and color schemes for both the dark and the light. So first it all starts, UX UI starts with the UX, and that's the wireframes where you really put together how an app is going to work, how a user is going to go through the flow, everything from the signing up to the navigating. And there's still design flexibility at this stage, of course, but at least it gives you a framework to start putting some meat on the bones. So after the whole design process, we went through a lot of sketches. We came up with a dark mode, and this kind of is 5 example pages, the login, the sort of search, what an NFT page looks like, the profile, and then at their request, obviously, their light mode as well. So we also came up with a whole design system for them to use, colors and typography, as well as designing components and modules that can be updated. And what's cool about that is it allowed us to build out an actual working prototype for them. So you can get started, obviously, here, and also show some ways that the interface will transition. So this is really great when looking at how it's going to all work and fit together, as well as when you hand it off to a developer that you want to show them kind of how you'd like it to work, so it informs their construction of the project. So this is all the different effects, as well as at their request the light mode of every part of the prototype as well, which is really cool. And lastly, to make the handoff clean, we developed a style guide for them, and that is a simple interactive page they can go to, that developers can go to, and other designers as they build out more of the project, where you can learn what exact typography they use, as well as the colors, the grid and the margin that helps you stay consistent with your graphic design, and the components that are going to be used. And what components are great because if you change them in one place, it changes across the design, and modules are basically a combination of various components. So that's it. That's an example of a UX UI project, not too involved, just some basics to help you understand what's possible and a little bit of the design process that goes into it. If you'd like to talk about web design, branding, digital marketing, or UX UI for app design, feel free to reach out at ProjectFresh.com. I'm Douglas, and I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will catch up with you soon. Bye.